Good morning students, how are you? Okay. In previous video we have studied about argument against democracy. In this video we shall study about argument for democracy. The following arguments can be given in favor of democracy. Accountability. Accountability means responsibility, उत्तरदायित्व. Answerability, उत्तरदायी, जवाबदेही. In this topic we shall study about a democratic government. What is a democratic government? A democratic government is a better government because of the inherent feature of accountability. डेमोक्रेटिक गवर्नमेंट की सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छाई है कि इसमें जवाबदेही निश्चित रहती है. जो भी वर्किंग गवर्नमेंट करती है वह उसका जवाब देने के लिए जिम्मेदार होती है, उसकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होती है. The party in power gets credit and appreciation for good work done by the party and is likely to be returned to power. If the government work properly according the aspiration of the people, then people give it appreciation and possibility that it can be returned to the power again. It means after its working period, government hope to come in the next election because it was praised or appreciated by the people. At the same time, in case it fails to fulfill the aspiration of people, it can be voted out of power. It means if the working of the government not liked by the people, then the present government can be voted out of power in future election. In other words, democracy provides for accountability, means responsibility of the ruling party to people. It means in democratic government, the government is responsible for its people. Second, quality decision making, अच्छे निर्णय. Democracy is based on consultation and discussion. Consultation means to come across together. Discussion means डेलिब्रेशन, एक दूसरे से संपर्क करके विचार विमर्श करना. A democratic decision always involves participation by different groups, discussions and meetings. Different groups means like different political parties, different communities, different type of people, different castes. They come across and discuss on any issue. Because of the involvement of large number of people who put their head together on any important issue, they are able to pinpoint mistakes in various decisions. Because in democratic government, decisions are taken by the consultation and discussion. That is why a large number of people involved in decision taking. Due to this reason, if there is any mistake in the decision, then the people pinpoint mistakes. Even though decision making in a democratic setup is a time consuming process, but this reduces the chance of rash or irresponsible decision. Due to the consultation and discussion of a large people, it takes a lot of time. Means decision making takes a lot of time, but due to a large number of consultation, the irresponsible decision reduced. Thus, democracy improves the quality of decision making. इस तरह से डेमोक्रेसी में अच्छे निर्णय लिए जाते हैं, क्योंकि यह बहुत सारे लोगों के से संपर्क करने के बाद लिया जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, फॉर द एक्सटेंशन ऑफ लॉकडाउन इन इंडिया आफ्टर 14th April, Prime Minister of India Mr. Modi ji consulted opposite parties, all the chief ministers of the country, all the chief ministers of the states and head of territories for extension of lockout. In this way, all the authorities, all the political parties consult each other and discuss, and they decide to extension of the lockdown from 15th April to 3rd May. Third, better conflict management. Democratic system provides for a better method to deal with differences and conflicts. In any society, difference of opinion and interest are bound to be there. However, in a country like India, having major diversities, these differences are particularly very sharp. You know that in India, there are a number of community, a number of languages spoken here. Means there are different type of people live in our countries. There is a lot of diversities. Due to this reason, there is conflict arise. There is conflict arise in any type of issue. That is why in democracy, because the consultation and discussion about different groups and people, it reduces the conflict and improve the better conflict management. In democracy, no one is important winner or permanent loser. Different groups can live together peacefully in democracy as it believes in the principle of coexistence, means to live together, sah-astitva. Indian democracy keeps our country together. It provides strength to our concept of unity in diversity. Because India, a lot of people, different type of people live, different type of community, different type of caste, but all they are Indian. In this way, democracy in this way democracy help in unity in diversity. As fourth, dignity of citizen means लोगों की पहचान, नागरिकों की पहचान, recognition of citizen. Democracy enhance the dignity of citizens as it is based on the principle of political equality. In democracy, all people are equal. Democratic system gives due recognition to the fact that even the poorest and the least educated have the same status as the rich and educated. It means there is no any difference in all the people on the basis of religion, caste, creed, sex, economic status or education or reason. All people are treated as equal. In democracy, people are the ruler themselves. Even when they make mistakes, they are responsible for their conduct. In democracy, people, the government elected by the people, that is why in the formation of government, people involved. In this way, if the people make any mistake, they are responsible for their conduct, for their working. Fifth, provide opportunity for corrective measures. Means in democracy, there is a chance to correct the mistakes. डेमोक्रेसी में गलतियों को सुधारने का अवसर मिलता है. डेमोक्रेटिक सिस्टम गिव्स एन अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर रेक्टिफिकेशन ऑफ मिस्टेक्स एंड एरर्स. Whatever be the form of government, it cannot provide for an error-free system. Other type of government like monarchy, dictatorship, army rule, they are not provide error-free system. However, the advantage with democracy is that such mistakes cannot be kept hidden for a long period of time. In democracy, if any authority done any type of mistakes or any decision taken as mistakes, then it is not kept hidden for a long period of time. अगर कोई भी गलती किसी भी अथॉरिटी से, गवर्नमेंट से होती है तो इसको ज़्यादा दिन तक छुपाया नहीं जा सकता. डेमोक्रेसी प्रोवाइड्स फॉर डिफरेंट प्लेटफॉर्म्स टू डिस्कस डिफरेंट इश्यूज रिलेटेड टू दी मिस्टेक्स. इफ देयर इज मिस्टेक, देन there are different type of platforms where their mistakes can be corrected about any issue. There is always room for correction. Means हमेशा त्रुटियों को करेक्ट करने की संभावनाएं होती हैं. Either the ruler are forced to change their decision or else the rulers themselves will be changed. If there is wrong decision taken by the ruler on any issue, at that time it will be forced by the people to change their decision, or ruler themselves will be changed. अगर किसी तरह का गलत निर्णय शासक लेता है, सरकार लेती है, तो सरकार को स्वयं उस निर्णय को वापस लेना होगा या जनता उसके लिए प्रयास करेगी, तब उसको वापस लिया जाएगा। जनता दुनिया जो है वो रैली, धरना, प्रदर्शन करके सरकारी डिसीजन का विरोध करती है। इस तरह से गवर्नमेंट को फोर्स करती है डिसीजन वापस लेने के लिए। Such things cannot happen in a non-democratic setup. इस तरह का जो अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर करेक्टिव मेजर्स है, अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर करेक्शन ऑफ मिस्टेक्स है, यह अन्य प्रकार की सरकारों में नहीं होता। ऐसा केवल डेमोक्रेटिक कंट्री में ही संभव है। The benefits of democracy can be summed up as under. It offers better chance of good decision. It means in democracy there is more possibility of good decisions. Next, it allows for the existence of different kind of social, cultural diversities by accepting the logic of mutual cooperation and coexistence. सोशल कल्चरल डाइवर्सिटीज, सामाजिक और सांस्कृतिक। समाज में अनेक प्रकार के लोग हैं, अनेक प्रकार की जातियां हैं, अनेक प्रकार के धर्म मानने वाले हैं, रीति रिवाज मानने वाले हैं। इस तरह से एक डेमोक्रेसी में लोग एक दूसरे का आपस में सहयोग करते हैं और एक दूसरे के साथ मिलजुल करके रहते हैं। Next, the democratic system allows for correction of errors. There is a lot of possibility of correction of different mistakes. If government takes any decision on mistake, then it can be correct that mistakes. It offers more dignity to its citizen. There is a lot of possibility of dignity to its citizen in democracy. There is no possibility of the dignity to its citizen in any other form of government like monarchy, dictatorship, army rule, etc. Due to the above merits of a democratic system, it is considered to be the best form of government. Means democratic government is the best form of the government.